Ready.
All right, we're here at 3062 Eagle Watch Drive, Woodstock, Georgia. What we're going to do is attempt to repair on this broken shingle here, wind damaged. Looks like we have an Atlas shingle here. So what we have to do, remove this one. This one, even though it's a damaged shingle, hasn't been improperly cut anyway. That's why I marked off 2 tabs. It should be 3, but we got to remove the 2 rows above it just to get this one out. So let's get started. We have the proper tools here to remove this 3 tab. So let's get started. So you can see just by doing that, it already tore. That easy. So the sheer brittleness of these materials we're trying to use here. So what we have to do is go 2 rows above. These shingles are just absolutely getting destroyed just removing these nails. I do have my crew on the ground to remove any removed nails. Wrong nails. Sure what they were thinking. All right, so as you can see, as remove shingles, you can see all the damage that occurred just from trying to remove this shingle. So what we're gonna do is take the new shingle we have here. Oh, you can see we have a severe size difference. These shingles, when they were made, they no longer make these shingles anymore. And you can see we'll have to trim 2 inches off this shingle for the overlap. You see the nail strip? Let's try to line that up. See the nail strip's 2 inches away from that. So per manufacturer specifications, even if this shingle was not installed improperly or cut, we can't install these shingles anyway. There's no architectural shingle or 3-tab shingle that will match the specifications of this shingle. So this roof is not repairable by that means too. So that being said, I'm just gonna place this in here just so we can try to see if we can make it fit while we're here. I cannot cut this in the middle of a slope. I don't know if you can see that. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and tack this in place. I will remove this. Just tack it in place. We're going to line this up. Now again, we're just taking this up just for video purposes. I will remove this and repair it properly. But this is the repair that I've been requested to. All right, so let's go ahead and look just from doing this. So what you can see, I'm gonna take this glove off just so you don't see I'm putting any pressure on it. See all those granules that are not free? All right, so that's gonna happen on first rainfall anyway, just knocking that free. But as you can see, just from lifting these shingles, they are so brittle, so beyond repair. You can see the crease mark. See the phone, please. You can see that, the creases that have occurred. Clean this lens off. Kind of dark, but these shingles have absolutely creased all the way across the top, therefore causing much more damage to this roof than originally just from that one damaged shingle. I'm going to mark this up, take some better photographs. Thank you.